This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
It's the very first show after the week of Diwali, and I'm so sure you've had a really beautiful time spending it with yourself, with your family, friends, relatives, everybody, and even neighbors, of course, because this is the time that you exchange greetings, exchange good wishes, and always have positive thoughts around you. I think it is good to be back and have you back too. This is Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio, your favorite radio station, and I'm your host Annie. Today I have someone who's been in the organization somewhere around the month of July. Her name is Anshika Jain and she's in the offline marketing department. Anshika, it is so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Thank you, Annie. It is great to be here. No, I've been listening to all the conversations, that are there on the radio, and it's amazing because this is one of the first times I've heard something like this.
Oh, that is so sweet. It's nice of you to say that. I believe you've been in the industry, the travel industry, for a while, and how long has that been?
So in the travel industry about 5 years, but in total I have been working for about 9.5 to 10 years.
Oh, that's cool. So it's always been marketing for you?
Yes, since the start, it has always been marketing.
And I believe in the past decade or so, and you've also been through COVID. In fact, those were challenging times. Worried everybody that the travel industry probably is just going to shut down like many other industries did. But in fact, there was a boom that it saw soon after the dry spell. So how has that kind of changed your perspective about the industry on the whole?
I think somewhere in my mind, I always knew travel is a very resilient industry because no matter what, I think it is a much needed break for everyone. So even speaking from a personal POV, when you are exhausted and you need a break, there's nothing better than a weekend away in the mountains or, at a beach.
Right.
So while people might have been thinking that, travel industry is gone for sure, but I don't think that can ever be the case. Because it's our one time away from work, from family, from, just where you can just relax and take your time and calm your mind, like literally rejuvenating your mind, body and soul.
Absolutely. In fact, revenge travel, when it started soon after COVID, was crazy. It's given now that the travel industry or traveling, so to speak, is here to stay.
Definitely.
Anshika, it is lovely having you on the show, and we are going to have a few games. We're also going to have a few candid conversations about your time now in the past few months here at MMT.
Go MMT Radio.
Customers aren't just external, but they are also internal. Our colleagues, peers, team, etc. We must focus on the needs of both by building a culture of customer focus from inside out. Hello, I'm Yuvraj Shrivastava and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show today on Badhai Ho with Anshika Jain, she's from Gurgaon, offline marketing department. So a little about your job. What do you handle here at MMT, Anshika?
So I work for the holidays content teams. Basically, when you have the MMT website up on your laptop and you take a look at the holidays section of it, the holidays log, the itinerary or the holidays funnel, where me and my team are the ones taking care of it. Whatever content goes on there and the collaterals along with that, the entire holidays content falls under our purview.
That is so cool. Let's get straight to the next game. In fact, the first game. It's Bollywood quiz you have picked. Are you a big fan of Bollywood, or you thought that was the easier one to go for?
It was actually the latter. I think the easiest to go for. Let's just hope I get some answers right.
Okay, let's start with which actor played the role of Bhuvan in the film Lagan?
Aamir Khan?
That is correct. Who directed the film Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge?
I am not sure. Aditya Chopra?
That is correct. Not bad. Even when you're not sure. Okay. Which actress played the role of Rani in the film Queen?
Queen.
Yeah.
Rani?
Yeah. That's very simple.
Was it Kangana Ranaut?
That is correct. Queen kind of went on to make a mark, which continues to be remembered by everyone. Okay, now this is also a very, very popular song. In fact, went on to win the Oscar. Who sang the song Jai Ho from the film Slumdog Millionaire?
Sukhwinder Singh?
That is correct. Yeah, so Sukhwinder's voice kind of, carried the song so beautifully. And of course, the composition was A.R. Rahman. Which actor played the role of Baji Rao in the film Baji Rao Mastani?
Ranveer Singh.
That is correct. Who directed the film Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara? One is an actor and director. Yeah.
I know who else, but yeah.
Yes. Okay, and your last question is who played the role of Munna Bhai in the film Munna Bhai MBBS?
Sanjay Dutt.
That is correct. Well done. Not bad at all.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
The show is Badhai Ho, and with me on the show is from Gurgaon Offline Marketing Department, Anshika Jain. Now here I have to ask you, Anshika, since everyone talks about the immersion induction programs, it's something that is truly immersive, and you sort of find your purpose once you are here in the MMT family after these programs. So tell me more.
I would say so. First of all, it's, I think, one of a kind because not a lot of organizations are doing such an immersive immersion program. And I think Virender did a great job because, first of all, it took me back to my college days. And the entire program was, curated very nicely. He was actually very thoughtful about keeping the breaks, and then the sessions themselves were very engaging. All the leaders, the CXOs came, they explained their point of view, and you get a larger perspective, a bird's eye view of how the entire organization is running and what law is responsible for what, and then how you fit into the entire scheme of things. So it's a great program for everybody because first of all, and he ensured that there were a lot of activities, engagement, and I ended up making friends, and I'm not a very social person by nature. So that was a new experience for me, and having been in the industry for about 10 years, I'm the one saying this is one of a kind, so that says a lot. So it's a great initiative, and I really enjoyed it.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए.
इतना सारा काम करने के बाद कंट्रोल एस किया क्या? अरे अपनी हैप्पीनेस को.
Just do it!
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Head, set, go.
With Anshika Jain, Offline Marketing Department is the department that she looks into and is based out of Gurgaon. Now, Anshika, I have to ask you, since it's also Badhai Ho, aapko badhai bhi dena chahungi for now being a part of the MMT family. I'm sure you're proud of it. It is the largest travel company of the country. So now your personal idea of travel, how much do you love to kind of explore places and go around?
I think it's a question that everybody would answer with, we love to travel. I think everybody is a traveler at heart. And when I just started out, when you're traveling initially, you're that kind of a person who wants to cover everything and, just tick the boxes off your bucket list and whatnot and enjoy every experience. But I think post-COVID, the way I used to travel has changed a bit because now everybody is into slow travel and, exploring the places mindfully. So I think I'm also kind of drifting towards that trend. Now the way I travel has changed. Earlier, I would just go to a place and then try and cover everything around it and then, visit all the places. But now I just try and go and enjoy one place to the fullest. And it's okay, even if I'm missing out on certain things, that's okay.
No, that's sweet. That's really thoughtful because it is true. It's not just about taking off the touristy places where you go and you come back and say, oh, I saw this and I saw that. But it's actually immersing yourself yourself in the history of the place, getting to know the culture, getting to know the people, the local cuisine. That matters a lot, I think. That is what truly changes your perspective and idea of travel, really.
Being a touristy traveler
Correct.
kind of thing, I'm now more moving towards an immersive travel experience where you're experiencing the place the way locals would.
Truly, and so much to learn from such an experience. It's enriching.
Yeah, it is.
Well, tell me 2 of the places that you have already ticked off your bucket list.
One was I went to Europe, and there the place I wanted to visit really was Venice and Rome, which I did. And I'm really happy that instead of, rushing into things, I took my time and I did that slow travel trend thing.
Nice.
So that was nice. So these are the places I ticked.
Damn nice. So what stood out for you in Rome, particularly, with such rich history and architecture?
The architecture.
Yeah, it is mind-boggling to see the amount of work the people back then have put in to create such structures, right?
Yes, definitely. And when we went to Rome, and I know Paris is known for the food and the wine and everything else, but even the food that we had in Rome was amazing. The pizzas, the pastas, because they had, you can see the difference in the way things are prepared.
Nice. And so you come back and then you're like, hey Bhagwan, यहाँ तो ऐसे pasta और pizza तो मिलते ही नहीं है.
True. The pizza that I've had in Paris or in Rome I can never compare it to anything that you can find here.
It kind of is also a little unfortunate because then you come back and you know exactly what you want and now you won't maybe find it here.
Now what you're missing.
Yeah, and you definitely know what you're missing, which means it pushes you to travel more.
Yes. And I was lucky because when I visited Rome, the Trevi Fountain, now I think they've barricaded and you can't really go very close to it. But I was lucky enough to go and then do that entire coin thing. And
oh, nice.
That was really nice.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो ओहायो में हमने बनाया 6-7 years चलेगा लबूबू लेके बैठो माचा पी लो ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
The rapid fire round.
How many fingers do we have?
Dubai.
I like that you're trying well. It sounds cool. Where do we keep food cold?
Storeroom.
Okay. What language do people speak in France?
North America.
Okay. Where does a plane fly?
Heaven.
Oh, nice. What do you use a phone for?
Gardening.
What do you do when you're hungry?
Travel.
Ah, nice. What do you wear on your head?
Shoes.
Ah, okay. What is the earth shaped like?
Bus.
What is the capital of India?
Plants.
Oh, plants. Not bad. What is water made of?
Aliens.
Nice. And the last question. What do you see in a mirror?
Globe.
Nice, sweet, well done. I think you really stuck to it. Stuck to being creative, actually. And that's the beauty of this game, really. You can come up with any random answers because that's really what the game is about. Wrong answers only. I hope you had fun too, Anshika.
I did. I had a lot of fun, actually. I just tried to keep it as travel-centric as I could.
As you could, is what I'd like to say.
True.
So sweet. Thank you so much for your time, Anshika. And once again, congratulations. Badhai ho for being a part of the MMT family now.
Thank you, Annie. And thank you for having me. It was great fun.
Likewise, all the very best with the dreams and goals you have in mind with regards to your job, to everything that you really want to make happen here at MMT. So fly high.
Thank you.
Anshika Jain from the Offline Marketing Department based out of Gurgaon. Badhai ho, the name of the show. And yes, you have been listening to Go MMT Radio. With this, it is a wrap. This is your host Annie signing off. I will be back a few days later with yet another show. Until then, you keep traveling and stay cheerful.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMG Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.